Welcome to my YouTube video, guys. I want to do a review for Fundrise. I've been member with them since September 2017. I am at core level. I have about well over $1,000. I want to basically talk about what they're about and how their system works. So basically, I heard of them back in 2016. I waited about a year before I put some money. Obviously, I didn't put all of my money in first. I put about $500, and then about a year ago, again I put another 500, so it's about $1,000. And so far they have given me great dividend, which is what I kind of want to do. Every quarter they give you certain amount of money for owning piece of their share. So let's dive in. So you can see my dividend, April 9 2020, 2 months ago, right now is July. So we had $14.39. Before that we had $16.50. The reason behind it, you see there's a huge drop, right? That's because the coronavirus. So I think that's what happened. That was in quarter 1. And then before that, 16.50. Then before that, $11.39. That was in October, right? 2019. Then July, that was $11.86. $9, $10, $9, $8, $11, and my very first dividend was $2.42. That was in October 9th, 2017. So it's about 3 years since I've been with them. So far they've been great. All you do is just put your money in and forget about it. They just give you money every quarter. So it's kind of cool. Let's look at everything about them. You can look at my performance, right? Every quarter. You can look at year to date, which is 3.3. It's a little better than putting in saving account, I feel like, but it is better than, I guess, stock market, because in the stock market you actually lose a lot more money than you put in, or if you don't know what you're doing, then you lose all your money, right? So this is kind of great alternative to that. So just a disclosure, I am not licensed broker or anything of that sort. I am purely doing this for information purpose, and things that I do may not necessarily translate into your own life. So please look at your risk level and seek advice from professional. Now that's out of the way. So you can look at, in 2018 I invested about $500. Then in 2019 I invested about another $500. So that's how we got $1,000 in beginning balance, right? Gives you very nice breakdown exactly of how much money you're earning and so on. Right, here's my portfolio. If you look at it, all I did was put in the money. They automatically decided what to do with it. So over the years they have basically allocated my money into different basket. So started from growth, E-REIT, third, fourth, yes, and then income, right, so on, and about 107 active projects. You can see my transactions that I did. You can look at investment. My very first investment was $500, September 2017, and that got me 25 shares of E-REIT, and growth 24 shares. And another one that I invested was in 2019. That gave me a couple more, right? One, two, three, fourth. These are just different geographical regions that the money is in, or the property is in, rather, and I'm share and telling me how much was shared, just like a stock market, right? Quantity and the share price and amount. All right, what else? Yeah, very nice. You can look at the dividends. It's automatically. I had it where it was automatically reinvested in. I have taken that off. This would be the first time I'm gonna get that dividend deposit into my account. The reason I'm doing it is not because I need the money. It's because I want to see it that they do in fact actually give you the money in your account. So that's be kind of cool. It's been 3 years. I have never kind of withdrawn any money, so I figure I should do that. And go in the document. You can look at all your tax information. Right, I have 2017, 2018, 2019. Right, all your statements are here. Easy to use. They have app, so you can use the website or the app. I like the website much better. Call me old school, I guess. You can invite your friends, right? Automate your investing, and if you have your 401k and especially IRA, you can transfer your money into this. Cool. Set your investment goal, right? Not sure if this is no longer the case. Become an owner of Rise Companies Corp. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this is part of their parent company of Fundrise. Wow, is they growing? So we already went through the transaction. This is how it looks like. We looked at the portfolio, right? You can look at maybe. Oh yeah, and they give you a lot of news regarding what they're doing with your money. So that's kind of cool. Like recently, I got email of them that hey, your money went into this capital and Capitalized Maryland, E-REIT, and if you'd like to know more, and look at here their ratings, how much money, a lot of project information and everything around it, and you can also look at their estimates and projection on return. So that's nice. You can look at. Oh, this is very nice. I thought very interesting. Look at their Fundrise, right? 2.41, whereas public REIT 15%. That's actually under saying I own a REIT in stock market, right? They are little as more than 50%. Some of them are down. So this is very tricky. So there is actually much better. Stock market, obviously, because of the pandemic, so not so great return, but theirs is much better. They give you a lot of facts regarding it, like if you compare their Fundrise net platform return 6 month 2020 was approximately 2.41, right, versus stock market BTI is the total. This is first of all what is Vanguard, right? If you do this, you can look at this is Vanguard total stock market index, right? Then it's doing that well. See, they were dipped and they're still not back to where they were. See, so I feel like this is much better bet